Hello, lovelies. To make this homemade exotic body scrub, you'll be needing sugar, salt, and a body lotion. Now, this body lotion is any one of your choice. It just depends on what you want the scrub to do for you. Do you want it to lighten you? Use a lightening body lotion. But I just make sure I add a moisturizing lotion. Lastly, turmeric, but that is optional. So for the steps, you just add your sugar, like 2 tablespoons of sugar into your bowl. Please, I like that's a secret I will tell you. It's good if you're making this homemade scrubs, make it instantly, use it instantly. Do you get me? Don't keep it. Then 1 teaspoon of salt is added. This quantity is enough for me for one use for the whole of my body. So, you should try it and see if it's enough. You can add any quantity you want. Then you mix the powder together in powdered form. One more thing, you can use any sugar of your choice. So, any sugar. The next thing is to add your body lotion. So because I don't want it to be so watery and also I don't want it to be so thick, I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon of this lotion and then mix. You can see the consistency. It's not that thick and it's not too watery. I just like the way it is. So next up, to give it a little color and also because I like turmeric and its benefits, I'll be adding tiny, teeny bits of turmeric powder. Because and another thing I don't like adding too much turmeric powder is that it will stain you. Yeah, I don't like it staining me. So just this small is enough and just mix and mix and mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. Now we're going to be trying it out. You can see the color. Just take a little bit. If you want to wet your hand, it's okay. If you don't want to, there's a moisturizer in it. Just go ahead and scrub. Scrub and scrub and scrub. So now I'll be scrubbing it. So yeah, let me tell you something. To try this, feel your hand, like have a feel of your hand before doing it. Then after, or even any part of your body, after washing it off, touch it. Even after drying your hands, touch your hands and see the difference. Not only will your hand be shining, but it feels softer and you can feel that it's cleaner. So I hope you like my hands. Ha. Thank you. Please subscribe for more of this. Okay. I love you. Bye.
Show me.